Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia. Welcome everybody. In today's video I would like to talk about my LED uplighting. Lights that I use for my backdrops and every single event that I decorate. These lights are great and this video is not sponsored. I bought these lights with my own money. I invested in them for the things that I'm doing. Also, this video is not sponsored, but I do have an affiliate link in my description down below for these lights. If you purchase through that link, these lights through that link, then Amazon will pay me a small percentage from that purchase. That's it. I do get a lot of questions regarding these lights, like where I got them. You kind of catched it through Amazon. Where I bought them, how I set them up, if the fabric from the backdrop will catch on fire. I can tell you right now, it will not catch on fire. I use these lights for weddings for extended period of time, like 6-8 hours, and fabric around it and everyone around those lights were fine and great and in one piece. Also, I will talk about why I love those lights and I'll show you a few things and hopefully this video will be helpful. If you want to see what's going on, then stay tuned and let's get to it. This is the backdrop that I will be demonstrating my lights against. This is my last backdrop. I will link this video in the description below for you guys if you're interested, for you guys to see. Here are one of the lights that I own. These are LED lights. I use these lights for every event that I am involved in with decor, like baby showers, weddings, bridal showers. I own 3 of them and I honestly could not be more happier with their performance. They have lots of options like steady lights, strobe lights, blinking lights, changing lights, and also just recently we were doing a program, Christmas program for children, big church with high ceilings. I was kind of worried that these lights would not perform like they usually do, like really rich color and awesome color. But honestly, I was shocked in a way because they worked beautifully. I will insert a couple of clips from that event for you guys to see what I mean. And people that were there with me, they were really excited about these lights as well. They were really pleasantly surprised. Let me show you how I install them. Here's where I will be putting my lights. As you can see there, one is ready. This is the access fabric that I have because these strips right there, they are so long. Now let's put one light here and I'll tell you a little bit more about these lights. Each light comes with adjustable legs like here. You can tighten them, loosen them up, put your light on an angle that you want behind your backdrop. Also, every light comes with a cord. These lights have outlets on them, so you can connect as many lights as you want with each other. I use 2 lights for my backdrop and it's enough. If you want to use 3, go ahead. If you want to use 1, it's gonna give you more like a centered look. Here I connected my first light to my second light. Now let's turn them on and I'll explain how to get to that steady and blinking and strobe light effects. First plug your lights in, they will take a second to kind of warm up and then they will turn on. This is the control panel for these lights. Not gonna lie, it took me quite some time to figure out how to turn these lights onto steady program. It's okay. You have me, you don't have to go through the struggle, right? Honestly, I don't know why I was struggling because this is so simple. all you do is you go to your menu and it tells you auto. So you go to enter, you press enter, and here you have your steady light programs. So you go up and down. This is a 5. I'm sorry for my nail, chipped right on time before Christmas, right? 5, 6, 7. I love this light. This is so soft. 8. And these are the changing lights. This program we used for our Christmas program that I told you a little bit earlier, and they look beautiful. If the panel shuts down, no problem. You go into menu again, press, and here you have it again. And then you go down, pink, different color choices, and this is just the steady lights till the program 8. 8 is a changing light, and then blinking lights, strobe lights. I mean, let me see how many programs there is. I usually don't use blinking lights and strobe lights. I usually use steady lights. 22 settings for this lights. I fully don't know about these lights. I just know what I need to know. There's a whole bunch of other settings and this and that. And what I love about these lights remember your setting. If you place them on this pink color and unplug them from your outlet, you come back and you turn those lights or plug these lights back on, they will come up with the same setting that you set them before unplugging. Very awesome, love it. You don't have to like go through this panel back again. This is how I keep all my lights behind my backdrop. I love the angle. Angle is very important. For my backdrops, I love the bottom of my fabric of my backdrop to be more uplighted than the top, but the top has enough lights as well. So all you do is you find the right angle and adjust your legs to the angle you want. Like right here, they move, and you can always tighten your legs and keep them at a certain angle. I'm gonna put them up just a little bit more, just like that. And here you have it. This is how I install my uplighting every single time. Let me show you what's going on up front. And this is obviously one of the light options that these lights have. Alrighty guys, so here you have it. This is my setup. This is how I set my lights. This is where I got my lights, and this is how I'm doing this whole thing. I hope this video is helpful. If you enjoyed this video and it was helpful to you, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Let me know. If you have any questions, comment down below. I'll be there to chat with you guys and help in any possible way. If you're here for the first time, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more videos, and I wish you a blessed Christmas and a Happy New Year. Alrighty guys, I'll see you back very soon. Bye bye.